Every day we are changing for the better. They say you're only as strong as your weakest link. I think during this past year, the crew of the Haven has become ironclad. There has really only been one direction for us to go in the last year, and that is forward. Everybody here literally brings something different to the work table. For the last year, we have run solely on volunteer power, and yet we wake up every day and make the most of it, and always find something to laugh about. I think the curiosity of what we've been up to and our dynamic family is what really keeps bringing people back, even if it means only air hugs and fire hangs. Our mission is to make sure you have an unforgettable time with us.